Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to organize text in the Google Slides app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up Google Slides. Till it opens up like this. From here we just have to select the document that we want to work on, and then tap on a text box that we want to edit. And here we have this sign. If we tap on this, there's going to be a toggle list that opens up, and we can select where we want the text to be aligned to. And yeah, we can just set it to whatever we want to, and then we can align the text box as well. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.